how to fix Cash App transfer pending. So what we want to do is just first load up Cash App application and click on your profile icon found in the top right corner. From here, we will scroll down until we see support, but don't panic. We will not contact support yet. Use the search bar here to search for transfer pending. Okay, so it is going to show us this pending transactions. So Cash App payments go through distinct phases when they're processed by merchants, pending, and then completed. Now, what you want to know, or what you gotta know, is that some transactions will take, or most transactions will take between 24 to 48 hours to actually complete. So turn from pending to completed. If it has been more than 48 hours, however, and your transaction is still pending, then what you can do is contact support. So click on chat here at the bottom and explain that the transaction is still pending after 48 hours. Now they will further assist you with the issue if it's on their end. However, usually it takes between 24 and 48 hours, and you just gotta be patient and the transaction will automatically complete, provided that all the banking details are correct and that you have sufficient funds. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.